hello to everyone in the education sector and IT professionals working with it. Are you using Salesforce Education Data Architecture, EDA? Or perhaps exploring Education Cloud, Salesforce's tailored solution for modern educational needs? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between the traditional Salesforce EDA package and Education Cloud. We'll also explore the challenges of data migration and walk through how conemis, as a data migration expert, provides seamless solutions. Let's dive in. Let's start by clarifying the distinction. EDA is an installable package compatible with any Salesforce cloud, while EDC is a cloud product tailored specifically to education. While EDC carries forward many EDA features, such as managing student and staff information and course management, it also integrates functionalities from other packages, like the Student Success Hub and Admissions Connect. With the Winter 25 release, EDC introduced more objects, making it even more efficient and feature-rich. However, EDC's data model has several structural changes for greater efficiency. Key differences include updates to the account object's role, the introduction of person accounts, and changes to the course management data model. In the next sections, we'll take a closer look into these key updates and what they mean for your institution. The use of the account object has changed in EDC compared to EDA. In EDA, the account object manages not only educational institutions and households, but also academic programs and administrative accounts, using record types to organize these. In EDC, however, administrative accounts are no longer used due to the introduction of person accounts. Additionally, academic programs are now managed in different objects, making migration tricky as the destination depends on specific conditions. For academic programs, data may now need to be split across multiple objects based on specific conditions. To streamline this process, conemis provides formula-based object mapping, simplifying complex migrations by eliminating repetitive data extraction and loading. The second major challenge in migrating from EDA to EDC is contact migration. In EDC, personal information for students and faculty is managed through person accounts, a record type within accounts that automatically generates a contact record. However, loading associated data like account contact relationships with traditional tools often involves tedious manual work, including mapping and correcting contact record IDs. conemis simplifies this process with its formula feature, which automates ID mapping, significantly reducing manual effort and the risk of errors. This ensures a seamless migration of contact data, enabling smoother transitions to EDC. The last major challenge in migrating from EDA to EDC is handling course management data. Numerous objects contribute to course management, and EDC has reorganized this model. To address this, conemis offers pre-built mappings that simplify the process, supporting customers in both mapping and understanding the data model changes. For detailed information on supported objects, feel free to contact our sales team. What can we expect beyond these challenges? Let's look at an example scenario for conemis University, which offers both bachelor's and master's programs in computer science. The bachelor's program includes a programming course with a course offering record indicating that this course is scheduled for the winter 2024 term. If we check the contact records, we'll see that a student is enrolled in this course. Additionally, this student has also applied for a study abroad program in the summer 2024. To migrate this information, we need to transfer records across multiple objects, including accounts, contacts, courses, terms, course offerings, program plans, program enrollments, and course connections. As you can see, the EDC environment we are migrating to is currently empty, but with conemis, we can complete this entire data migration in one go. Using conemis's data export feature, we select all necessary extract definition files that we've prepared in advance and begin the export. The screen then automatically switches to the export job history list, where the most recent job appears at the top. Once the export status shows success, we click the Load button. We can then select the target environment, load mode, and other settings, and start the data load. The system automatically displays the load job history list, allowing us to monitor the latest job's progress. By clicking on the job, we can check each object's load progress and review success and error counts in the log statistics. Now that the load is complete, let's check the EDC environment. The conemis University Computer Science Department, bachelor's and master's programs, and the Study Abroad program have all been migrated as accounts. The programming course is now visible as a learning object, and the course offering record shows that the programming course is scheduled for the winter 2024 term. With course management migration complete, let's check the student enrollment information. Returning to the account list view, we see Anna Muller's person account. Checking the related lists on Anna's record, we find her course enrollment has been migrated as a course offering participant, indicating that she is taking the programming course in the winter 2024 term. Additionally, her registration for the spring 2024 Study Abroad program has been migrated as a learner program. How did that look to you? With conemis, you can migrate nested records across multiple objects in a single load. This transforms EDA to EDC data migration into a faster and smarter process. conemis also offers additional useful features for data migration, such as metadata migration. When users want to carry over custom objects or fields from their legacy systems, conemis allows users to migrate these components in bulk. The scheduling feature helps automate tasks like overnight system assessments or batch jobs. You only need to set the job and time, no coding required. With the project performance feature, you can track milestones, monitor progress, and compare it with planned targets. Thank you for watching. If you're planning a data migration from EDA to EDC, we'd love to help. Contact conemis today to learn how we can make your migrations smarter and faster.